Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to add transition to Instagram Reels. So without further ado, let's get started. The first thing that you're gonna need to do is to go to your Instagram app. Now, go to Reels. And what you're going to do is to video some clips. Now after doing that, click the next button and here click this one. Now you will see the track of your video. Now click this eye icon right here and you will see the different transitions that you can use to your videos. So if you want, just select your selected transition. And now it has been added to your first and second video. Now if you want to add for both of your all videos, what you're going to do is choose a transition and just click the apply to all button. Just this one, and then that's it. If this video helps you, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.